All right, in this video, let's talk about you're getting leads, but do you know what those leads are supposed to do next? Okay, so you guys can see is that right here, I'm testing out 500 of leads. And what, remember my previous videos, I talked about the importance of data, right? It's not 90 days to success, it's more of 90 days to data. But depending on where you are, it could be actually longer. So 180s to data. And at the same time, I'm trying to keep it super simple for you guys, okay? So you guys can see is that for this email campaign, is that we collected 500 emails, okay, around 500 emails, because that's the benchmark where I want to see if people are opening my emails. And when it comes towards the metrics that I focus on, okay, it's open rates and click-through rates. Okay, opened meaning open rates. Okay, clicks meaning people who have clicked the links that was in your specific email. And this is like an email follow-up, an example. And the main reason why I wanted to share this with you guys is that you guys can see that there's 115 out of those 500 emails that was been sent, and they're decent open rates. And remember this is cold emails, this is cold traffic. Okay, so at the end of the day, we can tell that there's 12.36% of people that actually click on towards that 7-part free training series that I've created for my audience. Okay, and I'll show you guys more on like other examples that you guys can do that. So you guys can see that there are people that are clicking on those links. Now, this is the reason why I wanted to show you guys this part. You guys can probably notice that people stop clicking when it comes towards these emails. A lot of beginners will rewrite the emails or given up when it comes towards email marketing. What you want to do, and the so-called gurus in the space won't be teaching the importance of optimizing your emails. Okay, you got to tweak your emails, and I'm going to say this time and time again. Testing and optimizing, it's all about testing and optimizing, and once you find that winner, you scale that. Okay, so you guys can see, you notice that there's less people that are clicking here. What does that tell me? Even though if there's 500 people and cold people are not clicking on these specific emails, what does that tell me? We need to improve the links in that email. Instead of rewriting those emails, okay, we gotta tweak and optimize those click-through rates, not click-through rates, but links that are, let's say for example, if I click in here, okay, you guys can see this is just an email copy, right? So instead of, since we have like low click-through rates here, maybe perhaps we could make this email shorter, or perhaps we could actually add multiple links. You guys can see the blue link is a clickable link. Okay, when people click here, it goes on towards one of my YouTube videos. Okay, so you guys can see is that if people are not clicking, so now we have to see and actually troubleshoot this. Instead of perhaps probably putting this link here, maybe we could put it above this email copy to increase that click-through rate. You see what I'm saying? Or making this email shorter, because at the end of the day, people are distracted, they don't have time to read it, and all this kind of aspect. So instead of rewriting these emails, the cool part is that we can actually make this email shorter. And then from there, we run another 500 leads to see if that click-through rate actually improves. Okay, so you guys can see, let's just erase this. Okay, let's just erase this, guys. And let's say you're getting leads, but do you even know what those leads do next? Okay, so the thing is that let's say you got 500 leads. Okay, and let's say you created a landing page. In my 7-part training series, I'll talk to you about this. They'll tell you in greater detail what a landing page is, what a thank you page is. Okay. And let's say you're getting emails, right? You're doing email follow-ups. Okay. And remember, guys, these are cold, okay? These are cold emails, meaning people don't even know who you are yet, okay? So the thing is that let's say you got 500 leads. That's the benchmark of optimizing and tweaking. You could do less than that, but I suggest to do this. So let's say you're getting leads. So the whole point now is that, let's say you only created like 8 emails, right? Let's say you created 8 emails. That's not enough emails. You got to create way more emails than that, because what happens is that people are going to totally forget who you are if you only just create 8 email follow-ups. Okay? If you're just creating 8 email follow-ups, people are just going to totally not remember who you are as a person. Okay? So the thing is that we have to continue the nurture sequence. You remember, you probably heard this in the with the other gurus, right? They probably mentioned, oh, you got to build a relationship and all that kind of aspects. Nurture comes through videos. And you guys, is that you're getting leads. You have to continue the nurture sequence, okay? You have to continue creating those emails. I'll suggest maybe perhaps create an email a day, depending on your time. Okay? Create an email a day. And once you create, let's say you create your own content, you can actually pop your YouTube link in here. Okay? Your YouTube link here. What is that gonna do when people open your emails? It's gonna go straight towards your YouTube channel. And that's gonna trigger the algorithm for YouTube. You see what I'm saying? So what happened is that, my bad guys, something's going on with the pen, but let me just, oh, there you go. Okay. So you guys can actually put your YouTube videos here. Okay? Because at the end of the day, I suggest that you just focus on one social media platform for now, and then once you start growing, you can do diversify towards all social media platforms. Okay. So once again, you're getting leads. Let's say you have 500 leads. You have to create more emails, not just 8. An email follow-up a day could definitely work. Okay. And you got to continue to nurture your awesome people. Okay. And then from there, let's say people are still not clicking and opening your emails. We're going to do something even more powerful. Okay. Custom audience. All right. We're going to be focusing on people who have opted in. So what happened is that once we create this custom audience, and in the future, I'm going to show you guys my Facebook ads dashboard where how I built my audiences. So you guys can just see, and from there you can actually have an idea. Okay. What happened is that once you put your videos out here, look what happens. Okay. Excuse my writing. But yeah. So let's say you're putting like videos here, right? So look what happens. Okay. Look what happens. So even though if you have like poor email click-through rates and open rates when people are not opening your emails, look what happens. This go here, goes up here, goes up here. Now they're gonna see who you are as a person even more. And because by the time when you're giving value, right? Look what happens. This whole sequence over here, people are they're gonna open more of your emails. That's how you actually turn your cold emails for people to actually click on your emails links even more, especially when it comes towards your emails. Okay. And yeah, just wanted to share to you guys this. So once again, you're getting leads. But do you even know what to do with those leads? What they're supposed to do next? Continue to nurture your people. Okay. And then from there, create more email follow-ups. Okay. And yeah, I just wanted to create this video for you guys. People perhaps needed more clarity when it comes towards data, how important data is. And once again, I'm going to reinforce this. It's not 90 days or 180 days to success. It's 90 days to 180 days, depending on where you are. It could be even longer than 180 days to data. Okay. Just wanted to go and share this video with you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.